Don't download Writesonic Enterprise iMarketing app before watching this. Before you download Writesonic Enterprise iMarketing, here's the surprising truth. It's not just an iWriting tool. At the enterprise level, it's a full marketing automation and content platform, and using it effectively requires planning and strategy. Step 1. Define your marketing goals. Writesonic Enterprise offers a copywriting, automation workflows, and multi-channel publishing. Most teams get this wrong. They create content randomly without mapping campaigns, which reduces ROI. Step 2. Structure workflows. Enterprise plans allow multiple users, approvals, and automation. Without clear processes, content creation can become chaotic, and suggestions may go unused. Step 3. Integrate with marketing tools. Connecting Writesonic to email, social media, and CRM platforms ensures generated content reaches your audience efficiently and aligns with campaigns. Step 4. Monitor performance. Enterprise-level analytics show engagement, conversion rates, and content impact. A surprising truth is, if you don't act on these insights, the platform's potential is wasted. The upside: proper use can streamline marketing operations, improve content quality, and increase conversions through personalized ad-driven campaigns. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has a strategy, structured workflows, and capacity to leverage content for marketing. For small teams or casual use, simpler plans are more practical. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns to avoid wasting time and resources on enterprise tools.